What's up? We're going to show you in this video how you can make money with absolutely no money to get started, right? I get asked a lot, how did you start making money when you have no money, right? There's so many different methods, but in today's video, I'm going to show you how you could go find products that are absolutely free on the internet, and then you can relist those products and make the difference, right? Obviously, the difference is 100% because you didn't pay for the product, right? So if you jump over to facebook.com/marketplace, it'll bring you to the Facebook marketplace, right? You are going to have a Facebook account to get here. So if you don't have one of those, just go to facebook.com and sign up. But right here in the search marketplace bar, you're going to want to type the word free. Hit enter, and then right here where it says price, where it says max, go ahead and also type the number 0 and then hit enter again. Now you are going to have access to all of the listings that are free on Facebook Marketplace, right? Again, you may want to set your location and how many miles you're willing to drive to get this product, right? But as you can see on the right hand side, you can start seeing products that are free. And immediately I can see there is a couch right here that is free, located literally like 30 miles from me. And it looks like it's in decent condition. What I would do is I'd click the image and then browse and see if it's in good condition, if I think it's a good fit for me, right? I'm gonna scroll down a little bit more though and continue to look. I see another table, a dining room table, which is very, very expensive just in general, right? Chairs alone for tables cost anywhere between $100 to $300 a piece, which is insane. And if this is an all wood table, you can see they just want to get rid of it because they are moving, right? It's $0, just come pick it up. It's literally like down the road from me. What I would do is I would try to find multiple products in the same city, especially if I'm driving 30 or 45 minutes away to pick up a product. I'm gonna try to pick up multiple products, right? So I'm gonna grab my truck, I'm gonna grab a trailer, whatever I have to do to go get the stuff, right? I'm gonna go get this table, I'm gonna go get all these chairs, and I may try to get a couch or something as well if I have access to a trailer, right? And then just continue to scroll down though, but you'll see there's more sofas. Everybody gives away sofas because they're just so heavy and they're hard to move. And a lot of people don't actually have trucks. Like people give furniture away because most of the time when they get new furniture, it is delivered to their place of residence, right? So you could come get these furnitures for free. And then what you would have to do is go reach out to these people, be like, hey, do you still have the item? They'll say yes or no. If they do, be like, hey, I want to come check it out. I'd be more than happy to come pick it up today. I'm on my way right now, right? You go pick the product up, you bring it back, and then you come back, right, to your house, whatever it is, and try to clean that product, whatever it is. Touch it up. If it's a wood table, maybe I'll use some wood finishing and stuff. I'd clean it up really nice. And then on the left-hand side of Facebook Marketplace, again, I would click Create New Listing. I would choose my listing type and I would put items for sale, right? And then on the left-hand side, you get to upload your whole entire listing, right? So go ahead and add your photos, put a title in here. You're going to want to use keywords like what do people actively search for when looking for the product you got, like, right? So let's say it's a couch. It could be like a recliner couch, right? An electric reclining couch, love seat, whatever it may be. Put keywords here. Also put keywords in the description, and then condition, you could put used like new if it's in a good condition, right? Or good or fair. Obviously you want to put the right words, but if it's in great condition, just put used like new, right? You would pick your proper category for whatever it is, and then you get to set your price. And couches easily sell for $200 if they're leather and they're in good condition. If they're the reclining ones, they sell for even more, right? But even though, like, let's just say, like, even if you list it for $100, doesn't matter. Anywhere at $100, $200, $300, whatever it is, you list that price here. Available quantity is going to be 1. And then you would just click next and you can list the product, right? So it's super easy for you to list that product, but that's not the only thing. You can list on Facebook Marketplace, but also jump over to another website a lot of people have heard is going to be Craigslist.com, right? And what you want to do here is also create an account here, and then you'll want to create a posting. And you will do the same thing here. You'll do for sale by owner, and then you will pick exactly what the product is, and you'll just drop it in the category, and you'll list the product for sale here as well, right? Well, let's just say you're not finding anything for free over there on Facebook Marketplace. Well, the next thing you can do is just come over to Craigslist, and where it says search Craigslist, you could also type the word free in here, and let's just see if it pulls up anything free in my location. You can see these have prices. You could change the price max again here. Just type in 0 and hit enter. And then what you could do is you could browse on Craigslist, and then you can see again, we found another love seat. We found a kayak. Kayaks easily sell for like $100. Everybody likes kayaks. I live by the water. So what I could do is I could click this, a free refrigerator. I could click these products, arrange to go see these products, and pick these products up as well, right? And if they're in good condition and they're worth picking up, then you pick the product up, right? Again, don't just go pick up junk. Like I don't want to go pick up just random stuff that I can't sell. Like if it's in bad condition and you don't think anybody's gonna buy it, don't waste your time, right? You could ask the person to send you photos or even a video walk around of the product, especially if it's 30 to 45 minutes away from you, right? Get them to send you that video. If you're like, okay, this looks like a good product, I could use this, be like, I'm on my way, and you go pick it up, right? So you would do the same thing with the products you get for free on Craigslist, right? You could take these products and then just list them on Facebook Marketplace, right? Same thing, same steps, right? So you get them for free and then you list them on Facebook Marketplace. Now, let's say we get past that. We started making some money, right? I'm gonna hit leave page. I'm just gonna go to Facebook Marketplace again. And let's say we've started making some money, right? You flipped 5 couches. They all sold for $200. You've now made $1,000. What you can do now, if you feel like you want to start to actually get better products, is you would just come into the marketplace and then you would search for, like, say you're having really good luck with couches. We could just search for couches, right? And then we would do price max, let's just say $100, right? And we hit enter, and then we'll be able to find couches that are selling, like this one's selling for 100. It's a bigger couch, right? But it's pending. You can start to find other couches that are listed for sale, right? And then since you've made $1,000, these people think their couch is worth money, right? You could then negotiate them down. This person is selling their couch for $100. It's a sectional. People that are more comfortable listing their products for sale are people that are probably know that the product's still in good condition and they can make money from it. However, they're probably not really good at marketing or stuff like that or sales. Thus, they just threw it up there, right? So this person's asking $100 for this sectional right here, and it looks like it may be in good condition. I don't know if that's a design or what that is. If that's in bad condition, though, at the end of the day, I could go over there and negotiate the price. Be like, hey, like I see it's in bad condition, or in this upholstery needs to be replaced. Would you be willing to take $40? And they would say yes or no. It's a sectional. You don't even have to sell that part. Be very mindful when getting sectionals. If the couch section of the sectional is good, you can still sell just the couch and don't include the sectional when you're selling it. That way people don't see that it's been tore up by dogs or what have you, right? But you can negotiate these prices down once you start to have a little bit of capital. Like this sectional over here is a big full-size sectional. It looks like it reclines and everything. They're only asking $80, which is not that bad whatsoever. But anybody asking any price is always willing to go lower 97% of the time. So if they're asking 80 and I roll up with 50, they're probably going, I'll be like, hey, I can come pick it up today. I got $50 cash. I'm on my way. Will that work? They'll be like, absolutely. I would go arrange to pick this up. I would relist it for $250, $300, right? And I would list it on both Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist. I would list it in a 100-mile radius in case somebody wants to come pick it up from me, right? So you have all of these options, and this is absolutely free for you to do. So I hope that was helpful. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button and hit that like button for me to help push this video out there. And as always, I appreciate everybody being here. We will see you in the next video.